Coup attempt in Benin failed amid regional instability. President Talon safe, plotters cornered. Zanapenda mashukubla pangwa pamusoro a planned short-lived coup yoitika ku West Africa notable subscriber like on the bell kuti imina manapomda kwa mjinsi. In a dramatic but short-lived escalation of West Africa's ongoing political turmoil, a small faction of Beninese soldiers briefly seized control of the state broadcaster early Sunday morning, proclaiming the overthrow of President Patrice Talon and the dissolution of all government institutions. However, within hours, loyalists forced loyal to the government swiftly reasserted control, surrounding the plotters at the television station and declaring the mutiny thwarted. The incident, described by officials as a small group operation involving fewer than a dozen mountaineers, has been contained without widespread violence, though it underscores deepening fissures in the region's fragile democracies. The failed bid for power, the first major coup attempt in Benin since the country's return to multi-party democracy in 1991, unfolded against the backdrop of Talon's impending departure from office in April 2026, following a decade in power marked by economic reforms, infrastructure booms, and accusations of authoritarian overreach. As the sun set over Cotonou, the capital's streets, initially gripped by panic from reported gunfire, began to normalize, with residents returning to markets and daily routines under heightened security. Timeline of events from broadcast to breakdown. Number 1. Pre-dawn assault, approximately 4 a.m. local time, half 5 a.m. To seizure of state television. Number 3. 6 to 7 a.m. government counter-offensive. By 10 a.m. situation stabilized. Afternoon developments. The ECOWAS Economic Community of West African States convened an emergency virtual session condemning the attempt and pledging support for Talon's government. The French embassy, citing gunfire near expatriate areas, urged its citizens to shelter in place, fueling online speculation of foreign involvement, though no evidence is emerged. Doma developments aripo pamusoro attempted coup in Benin. Bidaya comment section, meduza fungo emo to live on the chit. So subscribe or like, catch it on the bell icon.